In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to insert a copyright symbol in Adobe Illustrator quickly and correctly. Whether you're adding it to a logo, a poster, a social media graphic, or official branding artwork, knowing how to insert the copyright symbol properly is essential for professional design work. The good news is, Illustrator makes this very simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the step-by-step process, plus share a couple of extra tips to make sure your symbol looks clean and aligned perfectly. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Adobe Illustrator guides. Let's jump right in. First, open your Adobe Illustrator document. This can be a new file or an existing project where you want to place the copyright symbol. Once your document is open, go over to the left toolbar and select the Type tool. You can either click the T icon in the toolbar or simply press the letter T on your keyboard as a shortcut. The Type tool allows you to insert and edit text anywhere in your document. Next, click on the area of your artboard where you want the copyright symbol to appear. This creates a text insertion point. If you're adding the symbol next to existing text, simply click within that text so your cursor is positioned exactly where you want the copyright symbol to go. Now here's the key step. Go to the top menu and click on Type. In the drop-down menu, scroll down and select Glyphs. When you click Glyphs, a panel will open that displays a huge library of special characters available in the font you're currently using. This includes punctuation marks, accented letters, symbols, and of course, the copyright symbol. Inside the Glyphs panel, you can either scroll manually to find the copyright symbol or make it faster by using the search field at the bottom of the panel. Type the word copyright into the search bar if it's available in your version of Illustrator. Once you locate the copyright symbol, which looks like a C inside a circle, simply double-click it. As soon as you double-click, Illustrator will insert the symbol exactly where your text cursor is placed. That's it. The copyright symbol is now part of your text and will behave like normal text. You can resize it, change its color, adjust the font, or move it just like any other character. Here are a few quick tips to make sure it looks perfect. First, pay attention to the font you're using. The appearance of the copyright symbol can vary slightly between fonts. If it looks too thin or too thick, try switching to a different font weight like regular, medium, or bold. Second, if the symbol looks slightly misaligned vertically compared to your text, highlight just the copyright symbol and adjust the baseline shift in the character panel. You can open the character panel by going to Window and then selecting Character. A small baseline adjustment can help align the symbol more professionally with surrounding text. And finally, if you frequently use the copyright symbol, you can copy and paste it from an existing document to save time in the future. So, to quickly recap, select the Type tool, click where you want the symbol, go to Type, then Glyphs, find the copyright symbol, and double-click to insert it. Simple, clean, and professional. If this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more Adobe Illustrator tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.